All right, here we are. Russell 2000 took a long position here. Let me just draw my. I'm just drawing my trend lines here, and we had a really nice little jump off of a support level here. So we took a long position. Russell 2000. This is just a minor pullback here, and we should see a nice pop up. We'll go for 7 tick profit target. Each tick here on Russell 2000 is $10. That means each movement is $10 per contract. We're in 10 contracts signified by the green 10 in the bottom middle row, the green 10, and that's our profit target in green at the top. Right now we're in the negative. It's coming down to our stop, but we should be good here. We should be fine. The brown cube is our average fill, and the moving yellow cube is our current price. That's why you see it moving in increments of 100, because it's $10 per tick per contract, but we're in 10 contracts. 10 times 10 is 100. Now we're going for 7 ticks here, which should be 10 times 10 times 7, which would be $700 profit target now. This is point and click platform. I'm using NinjaTrader here. The green column is for buys, and the red column on the right is for sells, and the middle column is simply just different price points you can pick. And that's really all there is to this. It's fairly simple and easy to use. We train you how to do that. Our traders in our trading room call these trades for you, tell you when to get in, when to get out, how to set up your during the live market. So you can interact with them. It's not an email thing, or we will get back to you sometime, or it's none of that. It's live, so you can you don't have to know 100% what you're doing, and they will still coach you through it, and then eventually you do understand what you're doing. Our goal is to get you to learn how to do this. I just brought in our stop to break even now, so we're in a pretty much like a no-lose situation aside any slippage, but the market's not moving that fast, so even if we get stopped out, it shouldn't be any. There it is, hit it. All right, so we're up 770. We did have some slippage, positive though. So we're up 770. All right, I'm going to look for a short position here, and I'll show you why here in a second. These trades really start happening pretty nice. Let me show you what I'm looking at real quick, but let me fill this order. Well, I think we can wait for a second here. I'm going to go ahead and pull a ray line right here and draw it right out, and we have it right there. And we'll go ahead and put it on a short position. All right, there it is. We're short, and we're coming off this resistance line here, or trend line. And again, these all seem like big terms to some people, other people not so much. We're going to go to break even again. Pretty much a no-brainer now. Very little can happen bad, and nothing did. We're up 1,200 and some change on 2 trades. Now this is where things get a little bit tricky, because our line right here, is it a support line or is it a resistance line? And what we're going to do in this situation, we're going to go ahead and take a long position, because I think this is now turned into a support line. But we're going to play a really tight stop here, because this is a little bit of a cuspy trade. It's not a highest quality because of I'd like to have seen it go further past this point, but it didn't. But that's okay. Let's go. We had a nice big move up off that big down, so we do have some nice volatility in today's market, and we're going to protect as much as we can here of what we may, but the market has to give us a little wiggle room. It can't, you can't move our stop until this thing has made a little bit of a significant move forward, which it will. And that's where I'm waiting. I'm just waiting right now so I can move in our stop. Even what happens at these lines is that price will just they flutter around at these lines, and then whether it's a support or resistance, and that's why I know this is going to give me plenty of room to put in my stop at a reasonable price, which I'm going to do right here. And even if it comes down and socks us out, we'll go for 4 ticks on this one, and let's see if we can't just do it. We just can't get it's kissing right off of our profit target right here. Just doesn't want to do it. Come on. But you see how price is kind of moving along this line right here. It hasn't made up 100% of its mind. I still think price is going to continue forward up, but we're all the same. It's a lower quality trade, so we're just going to play a tight stop. We have it 2 stop. Our stop is at 2 ticks bad. So I mean, you know, but it looks like we might hit our profit target all the same. Excuse me. It's fluttering right around this line, this trend line, and we're not gonna. I don't think we want to play this game. And we got stopped out. Okay, so 2 winners, 1 stop. We're up 970. Took a little bit of a hit on that last one. No big deal. All right. See y'all tomorrow.